To massively upload responses to a questionnaire in Mero, this is the process we must follow. First, we enter the system with the process administrator user who has the permissions to do this bulk upload of responses. Once we are inside, we are going to review the questionnaire to which we are going to carry out this process. In this example, it will be a questionnaire for the 2023 event. The environmental dimension. The topic biodiversity. The affected habitats subtheme. And we open the questionnaire. As you can see, this questionnaire already has the information from previous years, and what we want to do is fill in the data for the year 2023, which is the reporting year. In total, we are going to upload 12 data, 3 for each production plant of this fictitious company. As you can see, this questionnaire, in addition to these numerical questions, has 2 multiple choice questions at the end. We will leave these out of the bulk upload to illustrate how the mix of responses that are uploaded in bulk and the responses that must be given directly in the questionnaire can be handled. Now we are going to configure the Excel template to do the bulk upload. For this, we must go to the Mero administrative module and select the Upload Responses option. Then we select Template Configuration to open the Template Manager. We click on the Add Template button. We give the template a name, in this case Affected Habitats 2023, and we click Save. On this screen, by clicking on the Add Questions button, we open this pop-up to search for the questions we want to include. We can use the filters we want to quickly reach the questions we want to include. In this case, we will only include the questions from the Affected Habitats questionnaire, but, if necessary, questions from multiple questionnaires can be included. The selection can be one by one, or as in this case, all the numerical questions in this questionnaire. We click on Save Selection. And we see on this screen all the questions selected for this template. We can change the order of the questions if we wish, and we can always save our settings to return later. Now, to download the template, we click on the Download Template button. We select the 2023 event, which is where we are going to perform the bulk upload. And we can see that the Excel file downloaded to my computer. Now, I open the file from my file browser and access the template we set up. The template contains the columns that give you the context information to identify the data I want to upload. And each of the rows represents a data point. Remember that for this example we are uploading the information on the number of acres affected by the operation of the 4 production plants of this fictitious company in the 3 defined ecosystems: tropical forest, grasslands, and lakes and rivers. In column F, which is colored green, is where we include the data to upload. Then we save the changes to the file and we are ready to upload it to Mero. We return to the administrative module and click on the Upload Responses option. We click on the Responses Upload button. Then click on the Add File button that opens the file browser on my computer. We look for the file and click Open. The file is uploaded to this pop-up and we click on the Upload button. As this is a critical process, the system requests validation from the user of the number of data points to be uploaded, so that the user enters the number that the system shows and confirms the data loading. In this case, the number is 12. And the system shows the success of the process. On this uploading screen, the system leaves a record of the process carried out. This table will grow with each bulk upload that is carried out, showing the date on which the upload was made, the user who carried out the upload, the name of the template used, the origin, in this case Excel, but it can also be via API, the affected event, the number of data points loaded, and finally, it has the file used to later carry out the necessary audit processes. Now simply to validate that the information uploaded correctly in the questionnaire. We go back to the Information Management module and navigate to the questionnaire to see the uploaded data. And directly in the questionnaire we can see that the data was indeed uploaded correctly. This process does not currently affect the approval workflow, so assigned users can enter the questionnaire from their profiles to perform additional actions that are required, such as attaching supports to the answers, or even answer other questions in the questionnaire that have not been answered with the bulk uploading process.